So we have a clog in the drain somewhere, and Ronnie bought this Bauer, what's it called, a snake?
Yeah.
And so
Handheld electric drain cleaner.
Handheld electric drain cleaner. We took the trap off and it wasn't in the trap, so now we're going down through the drain, and that's the nice thing about doing your own plumbing, because you know. So I'm gonna go outside and see if it's coming out the other out here. Feeds here, and it's like well, not like, it's kind of a French drain, and it's got an elbow right here, which is where there was some sort of a clog, but there still seems to be a bit of a clog. And what was happening is the water was coming up out of the vent because there was no place for it to go down after it got full, I guess. So we shall see. Must have hit the clog of wherever it was, because I'm starting to see water pushing out of the little drain holes in the French drain. And normally the holes aren't plugged up with mud here. It was because I took off I've got landscaping paper and stones around it. But yeah, I'm gonna put a clean out tee right there and right there. And I know that may seem like overkill to have two, just I could put one in one of the other, but I figure that way it'd be a lot easier to figure out if it's before the elbow or after the elbow, and to clean it out after that. We're very careful. I don't put food down my drains. I don't put fat down my drains or anything like that. I'm always very careful. So I'm not sure who dumped what down the drains when I didn't see it, but we have some sort of looks like a fatty white stuff. I don't know, it's hard to see it, but you can see water coming out there now from where it wasn't before. So maybe. And he said it did feel like it just broke through something that was clogged in there. Now, I don't know if you can see, but I can hear the snake coming out the other end here. Oh yeah. Oh, there it comes. You're just a couple of inches. Oh, no, there it is. It's out. And it's hard to see with the sliding, but there it is. And the gunk with it. I don't know if you could see it in there, but there's the culprit right there. A big old chunk of something. I ain't no telling, but with a screen, and like I said, I don't dump a bunch of stuff down my drain. I'm not sure what the heck that is, but it's there. And this is why we don't put off till tomorrow what we can do today. When I was doing these drains, I said I will come back and put out the clean out drains in them, and guess what? I didn't, because once I covered it up, I just didn't think about it again until I had a clog. So do it right away. I did it on the first drain I did. Don't know why I didn't do it on this one. This is the tool we used, and I think the line is like 25 feet long, I think, which was, luckily for us, long enough to get to the part where we needed to go through the bend and almost the end of the drain where I ended up stopping, because I did dig up the far end of the drain, so I knew it wasn't clogged there. So we knew it was clogged somewhere in between. So anyway, this worked good. I mean, it's not, instead of paying a plumber probably several $100s at a minimum, because they have to get to us first, and we're 25 miles away from anything. So definitely a cheaper route. I think we paid like $89 for it, and there was like a 30% off coupon. So, well, it was $89 and then a 30% coupon. So anyway, we'll have it if we ever need it again. Hopefully we won't need it again too soon. I'll put those clean out drains in there. It'll make it a lot easier next time. Oh, and of course, I don't know if I needed to say it or not. It is a Bauer, so we got it at Harbor Freight. Okay, so here's the end result of the drain repair. You'll notice there's two pipes sticking out. There's an elbow there, and the reason why there's an elbow there is because I didn't want to extend it down and have roots, big roots growing into it or getting into the drain that way. So I ended up doing a turn and coming down this way. So probably overkill, but I put a clean out tee before the elbow and one after the elbow. So either way, we can see where the problem is. And then I also did a clean out tee at the end of it so that I could look and just pull up the top and see if water is actually making it that far or what the problem is, and if we needed to, we could clean out in the opposite direction if we needed to. So that's it. Project's done. Very thankful that we bought that Bauer automatic handheld drain cleaner thing, because it made fast work. Well, not fast work, it was still had to be all dug up, but it definitely made it faster than having to get a regular snake and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So, and it automatically retracts too, and then you just hose it off. It's really easy.